Hello everyone, I'm Chilionto, a life coach and an author. If this is your first time here, I would like to share with you, I have done a series of videos on the purposeful life. You are welcome to visit the rest of the video later. As for today's video, I'm going to share with you transition to your life purpose. Transition to your life purpose. When you finally know what gives you life meaning, you are excited, pumped, and passionate. But is it enough? Well, actually no, it is not enough. The next step in the process is to transition to your life purpose. This means making changes, perhaps a lot of changes. So, how do you transit? Here's how. Number one, set your goals. After finding your purpose, you have to set your goals. If there is no goals or aims, your purpose is useless. You can't transit to your life purpose without a vision. If you don't have a vision, there is no way you can succeed. Your vision is what defines your purpose. If you have a well-defined goal and your purpose is clear to you too, the journey becomes very, very easy. Without a goal, you are just wandering around aimlessly. You lost your purpose, your drive, and ultimately your dreams. Start your transition process. You'll get there sooner or later. Number two, the fear factor. The major reason why most people fail to transit to their purpose is fear. The fear of disappointing yourself and those around you, or the fear of not being good enough. Will my passion make me a living? Am I really good enough as I thought? Will I disappoint my family, friends, and myself if I pursue my higher purpose? However, do not let all the fear factors that stop you from being who you are. Things will be hard when you are transitioning to your purpose. Things won't always be easy. There will be times when you may want to go back to your previous miserable, meaningless life or your comfort zone. In these times, you have to remind yourself why you started in the first place. Remind yourself why you took the first step. That will keep you going. Number three, systems are important. To transit to your life purpose, you need to have a system in place. For example, if blogging is your purpose, you need to have websites and photo editors. You need to get in touch with other people from the field to guide you. Look around and find people like you, socialize with them to gain their supports. Your blogs isn't enough. Head over to social media and increase your presence there too. Get in touch with people and let them know about you. Part of the transition process is to make others aware of your purpose. Drop me a line in the comment section. Share with us your experience. In the process of transit to your life purpose, what challenges you face? We would like to learn from you. You are invited to like this video, to subscribe to my channel and get notification as soon as I post a new video by clicking on the bell down below. That's all for today. That is the last video for this series, The Purposeful Life. I will see you in the next new series. Take care then. Bye-bye.